Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is AP Media. So today I want to do a quick breakdown or a quick tutorial on how you can achieve this drop shadow effect on Photoshop. Okay, so it's going to be a very quick one. Now let's go. This is the particular effect. Okay, so it's not like the regular kind of drop shadow you can easily get when you use the normal from your effect controls here, right? The regular drop shadow we have here, this is not going to this is not going to give you this particular effect. Okay, so how do we then achieve this particular effect? Okay, so that's what I'll be showing you in this tutorial. Now let's go. Let me turn off this and I'm going to be creating what we have here. So we have this background here. Yeah, if you want to create this background, what I just did there was to I have this color here, and I have a little bit of brush here. Now that's not the purpose of this tutorial. So drop shadow. Now let's write drop. By the way, this font is called Tosca Grotesque. Okay, I'll drop the font in the description of this video, so you can check the description to download this particular font. Okay, I'll drop a link to download the font. So drop shadow. So we have something like this. So the first thing you do is to, okay, let me increase it like this. The first thing you do is to group this. So I'm going to create a group of this, and then I'll create a duplicate of this one. So let me clean up my layers from here so that we can see what we are doing. Okay, so I can name this one main text. Okay, the one at the top I'll name it main text, then the one at the bottom I'll name it drop shadow. Okay, so this is the main text, this is the drop shadow. Now the drop shadow, I'm going to collapse the group. Okay, by pressing Ctrl plus E or Command plus E, I'm going to I'll collapse the group. That is, I'll convert it to a raster object, okay, instead of a text. So this becomes, you can no longer edit this particular one again. So I'll go to effect and I'll give this black. Okay, let's give this color black. So now that we have this in black, I can now click on one of the edges or do Ctrl plus T, and then I'll hold my shift key and try and rotate this. Okay, let's see angle 30. Okay, I'm trying to hold my shift so that I can calculate the particular angle that I'm going. Okay, so angle 30, and then I'll hit enter. Then you hold your alt down. Okay, alt or option on Mac. So you hold down alt and then you click on your right arrow. All right, when you start clicking on your right arrow, you start duplicating it for you. Okay, you can see the duplicates like this. After some time, you leave it. Okay, so you can select all of them like this and burn them into one layer by doing Ctrl plus E. You can see all of them drop shadow 78 in one element. So I can continue again and still add more drop shadow. I'm still creating more duplicates of what I'm doing. Okay, so let's see this. We have this Ctrl plus E to still burn all of them together. Let's do some more, and okay, let's stop here so that I will not drag the tutorial too long. Okay, so I now have this. Now let me bring back my main text. Okay, this is my main text. So this one that I rotated to angle 30 that time, I'm going to bring it back to the normal angle. So I'll have something like this. So we'll have something like this. All right, we have it like this. So what you are going to do is to select two of them, main text and the drop shadow, and then align it like this. All right, align to the left and align to the right. So it's going to give you something like this. So the drop shadow is coming from this side. We are not done yet. Okay, so select this and add the layer mask. add the layer mask, then you can use this particular gradient. Okay, make sure you set your gradient to black to white. Okay, make sure it is black to white, then drag it like this, you have something like this. If this is not perfect, you can use your eraser tool. Okay, you can use your eraser tool and brush it. So you can brush it and you have something like this. When you are done, you can reduce the opacity of the drop shadow to maybe 50%, 60 or 70%. Let's say 60%. So you are going to have something like this. I believe this is very, very clear. All right. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of tutorials like this. Okay, so I'm going to drop the link to download this font in the description of this video. Make sure to download the font and try this out, and you can also let me know if you got this right, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.